Scene 1. Introduction. Cue gentle orchestral score that captures a sense of awe and wonder. Camera glides over diverse landscapes, golden deserts, vibrant green forests, mighty mountains, and glimmering rivers. Gradually, the camera transitions to a radiant throne engulfed in glowing light. Seated on the throne is the King of the Kingdom of God, speaking with an ethereal presence. King of the Kingdom of God, narrator with a deep, serene tone. Behold the threads that bind the fabric of humanity, a tapestry interwoven with the wisdom of ages past. See how humanity is both unique and connected, like grains of rice in a bowl of diversity, seasoned by the spices of culture and belief. True vision is not a gift of the eyes, but of the heart, a light that only the brave of spirit can perceive. Scene 2. Ancient wisdom unveiled. The screen fades to a moving reenactment of Chief Seattle addressing his tribe, under a sky painted with twilight hues. Flames crackle in the fire pit. Chief Seattle, actor with intensity. Every drop of dew, every whispering tree tells a sacred story. The earth does not belong to man. Man belongs to the earth. To see this truth, you must close your eyes and listen with your soul. There lies the eternal vision, untouched by time. Scene gently transitions. A radiant golden sun rises over a vibrant Australian landscape. An Aboriginal elder sits in his community, teaching children about their origins, their Dreamtime legends. Australian Aboriginal elder, actor, wise yet humble. Before time had a name, our ancestors sang the land into existence. They taught us. Every rock speaks, the bark of every tree remembers. Don't seek wisdom in far places. It's within you. Your spirit sees what your eyes often cannot. That is Dreamtime's greatest lesson. Scene 3. The wisdom of the Quran. Gentle Arabic calligraphy unfurls across the screen. The camera shows an imam reading by the tranquil light of a candle, teaching a class of devoted pupils. Imam al-Ghazali, actor, dignified, contemplative. The Prophet Muhammad, peace and blessings be upon him, reminded us, the most beloved people to Allah are those who benefit mankind the most. Our world could heal if we only upheld these words, loving not just what we see, but all of creation, simply because it bears the mark of our Creator. Compassion is the truest form of sight. Scene 4. Eastern philosophies. Camera transitions to a serene Buddhist monastery where monks light lamps in a dimly lit room. The Buddha sits calmly, radiating wisdom. Buddha, actor, serene and steady. Pause your restless mind, for therein lies the clarity you seek. As we are shaped by our thoughts, who we become depends on them. Enlightenment isn't granted by the heavens. It is nurtured within. In quiet reflection, in honest action, the true vision of the heart awakens. Scene 5. Conclusion. A stunning visual montage unfolds of hands holding hands, children laughing, monks meditating on hilltops, rivers flowing serenely, and cities bustling with diversity. The King of the Kingdom of God delivers the final words. King of the Kingdom of God, narrator. Across millennia, wisdom has whispered to the hearts of humanity. It reminds us that vision isn't a solitary sight, but a collective, spiritual awakening. If you wish to truly see, awaken your heart, but don't tarry, for life's greatest treasures are discovered by those who seek them with purpose. We are all the salt of the earth, united by our unique. which together compose the symphony of human existence. Final frame fades into darkness. Soft, ethereal music lingers. Credits roll.